Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to embed a YouTube video into a Google slide. So in order to do this procedure, first thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your YouTube application or from your web browser, and then open up a particular video that you wish to add it to your slide. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down a bit and click the share button. Right over here, you'll need to go ahead and copy the link. So click the copy button next to the link. Once done copying the link, open up your slides by typing in google.com/slides. Tap on, go to slides, and this is going to take you to the page. Here, select a blank slide. Once you've selected the slide, you can see right on top there are multiple tabs. So go ahead and tap on insert. As soon as you tap on the insert button, you'll be able to see a drop down menu. From the list, click on video. After you click on video, you need to go ahead and type in search all of your YouTube or paste URL. Go ahead and paste in the URL. After you're done pasting the link, hit enter. All you have to do is select the particular video, click the insert button located right at the bottom, and here you go. You've successfully embedded or merged or added the YouTube video into your Google slide. You can make changes with the ratio and all that. So that's basically how you can embed YouTube video into your Google slide. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.